Welcome to another CodePartners component highlight. Today I'll be showing you an integration between SageCRM and SharePoint that we developed for our own internal use to manage opportunities and projects. This is a quick example of the integration that we can do for you with SharePoint and CRM. For demo purposes, I already created an opportunity for a client. In this case, it's Admin Customers is our client name. For the opportunity, I went ahead and added the number of hours for the quote for design, coding, and testing of the project and assigned it to the ERP department. I also uploaded a document which I received from the client. It's the requirements document. Once the opportunity has been created and the client approves the project, the next thing we need to do is assign staff to the project. So we'll go ahead and add a few people in here. We'll add Christy starting today and ending on the 22nd. And the total design time will take 5 hours. We'll add a programmer who will start programming on the 23rd and end on the 25th. Should take 5 hours time to do the actual coding. And then we'll add a tester to do some quality assurance testing, and she should be finished by the 25th, and that should take a total of 2 hours, which will give us our expected 12 hours that we quoted to the client. We go back to the summary page for the opportunity next, and from here we need to go ahead and click Approve to approve the project. This takes us to a page that opens the project. We've got the total number of quoted hours, 12. We can go in here and put in the priority and a few other things. You'll notice that the project name and detailed descriptions carried over. And then we click Save. When we click Save, this automatically sends an email to the staff that has been assigned to this project. It also creates a record in SharePoint for the project. Once it's finished processing, you'll see this message pop up that says the project has successfully created the project inside SharePoint, and it actually says 3 projects here in this case because technically it's 3 sub-projects if you break it out into the 3 different people assigned to the project. I also do want to point out that this is integrated tightly with our time and billing system, so the only other time that you need to come back into CRM while working on this project is to record your time and billing, and it is associated with the project, which saves a lot of time. So let's go ahead and take a look at SharePoint. From here we'll come down into the projects, go down to the ERP department, which is the department who was assigned this project, and then there are different file folders for each different customer. In this case, the customer was Admin Customers. So inside the Admin Customers folder you'll see several different projects. We'll go ahead and click on Demo 2, that's the one for today's demo. And you can see that it's got the sub-projects, as we can call them in this demo. It's really the one project separated out for the 3 people assigned to the project. It's got their start and end dates, their expected number of hours. It's got the status and the priority, and it also has an area for % completion. This is a great thing to have in here so you can monitor status without having to look up different things individually. You can also change your view, and this works for this area as well as just the overall site. You could view all projects assigned to the ERP department, for example, or you could even look at all the projects outstanding for a particular employee. You can even look at the overall % completions for those as well with the chart. In this example, as you remember, we did attach the requirements document, so that did carry over as well. We would have gone under project document, and then we would look under this particular client's file folder in the project plan to find that document. For our own personal use, we've even added an integration to Bugzilla, which is a way for us to monitor and communicate about any bugs or fixes for any particular projects. As I mentioned earlier, this is just an example of a customization that we can do for you using SageCRM and SharePoint. If you'd like to speak with us more about this or a similar customization, please give us a call at 214-647-2611, extension 106, or shoot us an email, info@codepartners.com. You can also visit our website at codepartners.com. Thank you.